Epic stream always starts with 3 viewers. Time to short BNB. So close yet so far. It looks bad, man. Bing. Dev, can you do programming, man? Can you program some Ponzi coins? It was nice pumping and got rejected, got below everything. Looks bad, man. Looks bad. Looks bad. Let's get out of this, man. Sell market 100%. Sell. Yeah, you know, pregnant but safe moon. Ponzi coins. Shiba Inu. Ocean USD. Ocean USD. Ooh, nice. Daily looks nice. Looks nice. Soon, man, soon. This 200 moving average is kind of giving it a little bit trouble though. It's above 50. Above 50. Soon. I don't think it's ready just yet, but you know, it's soon. It's on Binance, you know, anything on Binance is fine. Let's see here. What's doing up here? I mean, it is legit. Soon. Ocean is soon. Hola boys, how's everybody doing in chat? Elon tweet was Rabbit Finance. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about it was Rabbit Finance? There you go. I can see the entire chart. Anybody afraid about about Halloween Day dump on 31st of October? Dump on 31st of what you think? Some ninjas are gonna come and dump the price? Rabbit Finance. There is actually something called Rabbit Finance. What? Interesting. Searching fair. No pairs found for this token. No pairs found? What? Why can you not have any pairs, man? Let's see. Wow. Okay. Therefore, no. You like? Nah, I don't like. Sorry. Sunrise. It is nice pump, but you know whether that's Elon Musk or not, I don't know. CKB doesn't have massive. Oh, it actually has massive fast. 8%. Nice. Let's see the daily. It went up here above. Now I just hitting the resistance right now. Over here. CKB ape mode. I don't know what ape mode is, but sure, man. Has nice pump. Anchor has nice pump today though. Anchor had nice pump. But it hit resistance up here. It was supposed to go all the way up here, but it went only up here. So maybe my lines are not legit. And I'm thinking my lines are. If the lines are not getting hit, the lines are not legit. So we gotta find new lines, man. Let's assume the line got hit. Yeah, maybe it should be something like this. I don't think, sometimes, guys, when you have some lines and lines don't get hit on the dollar, it's probably because it's bad line. What's happening in BNB? I thought somebody said Twitter. Let's go to B. What's the name of the guy? BNB. Yeah, this guy, CK. He tweeted something, just took 24 minutes ago, just took 639 million worth of BNB out of circulation permanently. So this should be bullish. 17th BNB burn. So they're burning coins, they're doing a lot of stuff. Let's see this img. 1.3 million BNB burned. I smell some burn around. I smell BNB. Funny guy, funny guy. Definitely funny guy. BNB burn. I'm gonna put on some music on. I'm gonna put on some harmony or something like that. Let's see here. Chill step. Yeah, background music. Four-hourly closes in what's that? 4-hourly closes in 33 minutes. So that's what I'm interested in. I'm looking at this triangle up here. I'm looking at triangle, man. If it closes above the triangle, that might be very good. Good stuff. Looks like, and right now it looks like tried right now. We're gonna see if it, it fails. But I like how these moving averages down on the 10 and 20 moving average on BNB are working out. It has go, and then it had already this big dump. It had this bumping yesterday, and there's climb right now. Pumping here. So it looks nice getting out of the triangle. So I'm looking at BNB right now. Anchor pumped. We saw anchor pumping up down here. We saw anchor pumping down here somewhere, right? And then we said like it's gonna go, and it went like crazy. NFT art finance. Oh, that's true. If one pumps, the other pumps too. Pancake swap. Pancake. Cake. Where is the cake? But cake doesn't look ready, man. The cake doesn't look ready. It's at some kind of bottom down here. It's some kind of bottom, right? But it doesn't look ready though. It doesn't look ready. Maybe just gonna have a big pump, suddenly with. Are they correlated? Let's see if they're correlated. Yeah, they are very, very correlated. Wow, the correlation is uncanny. Correlation between cake and BNB is very good, guys. Correlation between cake and BNB is very good. Let's see if we move it up here. Yeah, there was a, you know, down here, but correlation is really good. But right now they are not correlated. It's sitting down. So now, if BNB starts pumping up here, maybe it's gonna go after BNB, right? Maybe cake goes up, but right now BNB looks like it wants to pump though. See, it's on 50 EMA daily support. XTZ. Yeah, it is. So XTZ has been on. There are a lot of other coins that have very similar. What happened to this? There are a lot of coins that have the similar trend line up here, going all the way back from June, right? They are going towards the upside, right? And they are sitting on the 50 moving average, but it's not the same as you know, some other coins, like for example this Anchor that just pumped right now. You know, you see Anchor has this 50 moving average right here, and then it's breaking the 50 moving average towards the upside. So this 50 moving average is really important on a lot of coins right now. So you can see here 50 moving average up here, DOC 50 moving average up here, right? Ethereum Classic 50 moving. Something's gonna happen. So soon something's gonna happen, guys. Like, how long do we have to wait? You were so excited, man, when BTC broke before the candle closed last night. Excellent news, man. Love for crypto. Yeah, but you know, I was sensing that it was some kind of dump that was not needed, you know. Hey Tila, I'm too busy to trade for a few days. Am I missing anything? Just keep hodling. I'll be back next week. I don't think you're missing anything. You just, you know, going sideways right now, most of the time. I tell you, what would you like to say about Rune? Rune, I haven't checked out. It's on Binance, so I like checking stuff that's on Binance. There is definitely some trend up here going on. The trick is to find the trend. This is a bigger trend though. Yeah, it's this one. So it's up here, it's down here somewhere, right? Yeah. It doesn't look that strong. It looks weak, just like a lot of altcoins. So I think it's gonna take a little while to get to breakout or something like that. It's gonna take a while. Like, everything is getting ready, but it's not quite there yet. The weekly does look nice, you know, but it still has to, you know, do the breakout. It has to show the, you know, bullishness, but right now there is no bullishness. Why is the music so? There we go. We're gonna put this on because this is always legit. XRP should be strong. XRP, did you hear the news? BitBoy. This one. Welcome. XRP, terrible news. And down here, XRP lawsuit. SEC seeks extension of rebuttal report discovery deadline. So they seek, you know, extension of the report to January or something like that. So people are saying, oh, we're gonna miss everything by that time. What do you think about NEAR? I just checked NEAR and looks nice. I'm gonna add it in the chart, my NEAR USD Tether. There we go. It has this triangle thing going on up here. It's sitting down at some kind of support. It's sitting at a very less spot, so you don't want to break on the downside up here, and especially don't want to break this trend line on the downside down here as well. So NEAR looks nice. Uno does 40% up, but this is a KuCoin, you know. All the coins on KuCoin can pump like 100%. Bit summarizing frustration for full-time altcoiners. Yeah, definitely. I've seen that, man. I've seen the dominance is just right. Like over here, you have some kind of hope, and then no hope. Just going towards that. When the dominance is going up and Bitcoin is going up as well, that's Bitcoin season, guys. This is Bitcoin season in the making right now. Why you ignore all the time Fyro? Because I'm not interested in Fyro right now. And you know, you might also ask, hey man, why do you ignore everybody else, man? Because you know, everybody's like, hey, check this coin, check this coin. Hey, look at this, man. Like, I can only pick and choose what to look at, you know. But the sure way to get me to look at something is, you know, super chat. How's it, bro? Check out Land Share. It's backed by Binance. If it's on Land Share, it's not on TradingView, man. It's not on TradingView. What am I gonna check? What am I gonna check? I check the you know, the technicals, but if it's not Binance, like, what can I check, man? That it's not even on CoinCap. What am I gonna do about it? What am I gonna do about it? Trying BTT. When are you gonna become TFN Club man? When are you gonna become TFN? You've been here for a while now. I mean, long ass while. Time to join the party. Where's my BTD? Should be up here somewhere. BTT. Wow. Huh? I don't have BTT on my list. I don't know. No, there it is. There it is. Yeah, find me an alt TLA. Wrecked pleb. I like BNB right now. 1.3% up. It's in green. BTT looks kind of weak. You know, it gotta get above this 50 moving average, but it's not doing that. You know, not yet. Still waiting. You know, I think, you know, it might be just like the last time that, you know, BTT is one of the last coins to pump. It looks a little bit weak now. Unfortunately, it looks a little bit weak. So it you know, it's down below the moving averages. You know, it needs to get above. You know, it needs shows bullishness above the 50 moving average. You know, to rise. But right now it's not ready. It's not ready. But it's still inside triangle, so it's fine. I thought. Any thoughts on VeChain? When is the moon pump coming, man? Well, VeChain, you know, we just did a video on VeChain. It does look strong, you know, but even here on the pullback, it's above this 50 moving average, you know, so it does look strong. It's trying to go above the 200 moving average. It looks like he wants to go, but, you know, when? I don't know, man. This can continue for a while. This can continue for a while. I don't know. I don't know. If, you know, if I had a crystal ball and knew exact date when something is gonna pump, that'd be nice, you know. When it gets close, you know, you become more and more certain of the probability for the pump, but, you know, we never know. See here, 4 hourly, 23 minutes left. Who will pump off the BTC? ETH, BNB. Yeah, I think BNB is getting ready. VeChain is getting ready. ETH is definitely getting ready up here on the daily time frame. You see, definitely getting ready up here. So when will it actually pump? You know. Do you think Chainlink is sitting as support or will it go to 23? Yeah, I hear a lot of talk about Chainlink right now, but Chainlink is not doing that much, guys. Not doing much. Where's Chainlink? There's Link. See, it's still just going kind of sideways. Just going kind of sideways. Up here, just going kind of sideways. This 200 moving average is holding it back. This 200 moving average is holding back. So it needs to show some strength, but right now it's just going sideways. Don't want to lose support, don't want to, you know, want to get it back above the 200 moving average, and when it's done that, it starts looking strong, and above here it looks very strong, but right now it's not strong. Right now it's just kind of sideways motion. Huffy says, why do the whales always do a shakeout before a big pump and people fall for it? Because they can do it. Because they fall for it. So they continue doing it. Jewel wants to buy SHIB. How is Shiba doing? Anchor. Dogecoin 559. Dogecoin had nice. Guys, Dogecoin, we hit the target on the dollar on Dogecoin up here today. I saw it run and it went up there and target exactly on the line. See, this is when you draw the correct lines. When you draw correct lines, you hit targets on the line. So it's really, really important to draw correct lines to hit the targets. These two supports down here are still holding very nicely. So we're gonna see we are below 10 moving average up here, but that doesn't mean anything. Still the holding support to 25.16. Having a pullback. Let's see 30 minutes. This 15 minutes, 50 moving average. Let's see 5 minutes down here. Do we have any kind of divergence here on the 5 minutes or anything? Nah. Hopium now on BTC dominance. Can someone see my chats? Yes, we can see your chats, man. But they're not chat. XRP is gonna break out soon, right? I don't know, man. I don't know. It doesn't look that strong right now. I mean, it was looking strong. You can see here, it was climbing. Technically, it is strong. You see this white line? This is the 50 moving average on XRP. If you look at it here, this is the 10 moving average. This white line, you can see here it was climbing the 10 moving average and then fell down, but it's fine because this 50 moving average is important. So you got 50 moving average and 20 moving average right now, giving it support up here. If it falls through that, we got out 100 or so, but you know, you don't want to fall through supports, man. That's bad. That's bearish sign, especially in like 10 moving average is not that, you know, big deal, but 10, 20 and 50 moving average falling through that shows bearishness. So, you know, best case scenario, we close above here and then, you know, or from tomorrow maybe we pump up here. But you don't want to close below this this level down here. What's that right now? You don't want to close below that level. Good afternoon, TLI. Good afternoon, DJ Evie Stalin. I got $1 million. I have sold everything as I keep losing. Can you help me invest it properly? I don't know, man. If you bought anything and just hodl it, maybe it will do better. No, I cannot do that. Sorry, man. I'm not a financial advisor, so I cannot advise you what to do with your money. You know, that's a hard thing to do. You know, I don't think anybody, you know, with proper, you know, license will do that. And if somebody is doing that without proper license, they can be in big trouble if somebody comes and say, hey man, I lost money because of you. Tila, može li Uma, molim? Može, brat. Ajde. Uma. Oh, it's on Binance. Nice. I like stuff that's on Binance. Let's see Uma. Ooh, nice. You see when you see something like this and then break down here, the triangle doesn't go like this. The triangle should go something like this up here, and it should also hit this 200 moving average. So it is somewhere down here. The bottom line is pretty obvious down here, so it goes something like this up here. The triangle goes something like this right now. You can see the triangle, right? You guys can see the triangle. It goes below the lines. It doesn't go above the lines. It goes below the lines, something like this, and down here. It's trying to get out. I mean, these moving averages are really, really tight right now. So, you know, something's gonna happen soon. But let's try to draw the lines really nicely up here. Didn't I do Uma before? Yeah, something like this, give or take. I think it's something like this. This is cannot be this one. You know, it's one of these. Let's say this one up here because of the wick down up here, and the bottom line should be down here somewhere, right? Maybe it's up here. Yeah, that's the one. Why do I have all these lines up here? Let's remove everything. Yeah, this is the bottom line, and then you got the upper line up here somewhere, right? Where is it? Yeah, let's use this one. So this is the triangle, give or take. It's a big ass triangle. Big ass triangle. The trend broken right now, and right now it's just going sideways. It's just going sideways. You see this 50 moving average? This needs to break. You can see how it broke it and right back down again. It broke it, it held it, but right back down again. So it doesn't want to go. I don't know why, but it doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go. I don't know what it's waiting for, but it doesn't want to go. Let's see here. It had the bullish on, you know, step above the zero line up here. So this is a good sign. You know, when the blue line crosses the zero line up here, that's a good sign. No overbought levels or anything, no divergences on the day. Let's see the weekly. Oh, it looks nice, it looks nice. It looks like it's gonna get this bullish cross soon. On the weekly, it is below the 20 moving average down here, but you know, as long as it's above the support, it really, this doesn't matter. But you know, it can tell you that this can continue a little bit more. It's not ready, it's not ready. That's the only thing I tell you. It's not ready right now. It looks like it's gonna, you know, because it's above the 20 moving average, right? It's holding it, you know, 20 moving average. So you don't want to fall below 20 moving average. That's the red line down here. You don't want to fall below that. But it's just going kind of sideways right now. Just going kind of sideways. Doesn't look that strong, you know. We need some kind of move. We need some kind of big move, and then we need that move to continue. We know, you know, we want to stack the bullish signals, but right now there are not many bullish signals on UMA, unfortunately, man. But you know, eventually it will come to that. You know, we'll see bullishness. But right now, it's just like a lot of other coins. Right now, there is very little bullishness right now. How many minutes left on this one? 16 minutes left. Nice, above the line. Nice. Anchor to the moon. Yeah, anchor is right now 20%. It was up all the way up here. It says a pullback, just like Dogecoin. Dogecoin is having a pullback, but Dogecoin is done with the pullback, is it? No, it's not yet. Let's see here. Maybe. This is on a 50-minute chart, but I don't see anything that says to me that, you know, it's done with the pullback. So, you know, we're still waiting for Dogecoin as well. TLA, Alpha USD looks good, between 20 moving and 50, and could break 50, but everything is above 20 and could break 50, and that's the trick. That's I'm gonna show you over here. That's the trick, man. If you go to the daily time frame, everything is above 20 moving average, above 20 more, and then could break the 50. See, 20, 50, like everything, not everything, but a lot of coins. 20 moving. Okay, this is actually falling down. This is a 50 moving average up here. Let's see if file is actually looking bad. Above 20, this actually broke the 50 and then right back down again, not yet at the time. Doc actually looks bad. Chile is 20, 50 moving average, so you see, but you know, everything is in the ballpark area because everything is going into this this point right now. You know, I don't know, you know, if I knew the time frame when this is gonna pop, you know, that would be nice. Maybe it's gonna pop in 2 days, you know, on the full moon. But yeah, you see, 20 moving average and 50, like, sure, but it's not yet there. I mean, it can go, but it's not yet there. It can go, but you know, it's not yet there. It's close, but not yet there, you know. So that's the trick, man. That's the trick. I just put 300k in Doge loan Mars. Wish me luck. Well, good luck, John Doe. What do you think about the effects of tomorrow Bitcoin ETFs being traded on NYC? I see a lot of people talking it's gonna dump. I don't think it's gonna dump because we are not at top, you know. Last time when that happened, you know, we were at, you know, top semi futures and then dumped. What is a coin that could 10x in the near future, in your opinion? 10x in the near future? I don't know, man. Maybe Shiba Inu, I don't know, maybe Shiba. Shiba is a very volatile coin, you know, so it did 3x up here, right? It did 3x up here, so, you know, 10x. I don't know, it seems, I don't know if Shiba can 10x from over here. I mean, maybe, but, you know, I don't know. Can Shiba 10x? I don't know if you can 10x. I don't know, man, I don't know. BNB is still at 1.6. I'm just interested in BNB, guys. I'm just interested in BNB. It looks nice. It has this very nice triangle up here. It looks like it's wanna go. You know, I like that event. You know, spring support breaking the resistance, you know, we got a BNB burn, maybe it's gonna go, you know, maybe it's gonna go. It looks like it's sitting on the resistance up here, you know, so it might just go, you know, it just might go. I don't know, you know, it might go, I don't know, but if it does go, you know, it's gonna be nice. So we're gonna see what's happened. Tira, what are your thoughts on Trias? Trias, KuCoin. I can tell you right now that I don't like it because it's a KuCoin. I don't know, does this have any kind of pattern or anything like that? Maybe from the bottom down here, some kind of trend line. Trend support. Yeah, it's sitting, Trias is right now sitting on the support. It looks a little bit different than a lot of other coins. It pumped in main parabolic correction bottom, climbed up, going right now sideways up here. You know, it cannot go very far down. This is 100 and 200 moving average, so you know, even if it goes down, you know, it cannot go below these levels, you know, because that's terrible. So you know, it needs to do something. Where's the support down here? This is on the day. Let's see the weekly. Down here is support. Where's the resistance? Up here is the resistance. Yeah, you see it here. Very important lines, very important lines. You want to get above this line, you know, you don't want to go fall below that line. Sitting on the 50 moving average, it doesn't do anything. It just it has like this trading range right now. But this resistance up here, sorry, this support up here is coming in, so you know it needs to do something. Also, this 200 and 100 moving average are right below it, you know, so it can go down here, but you know it cannot break this level down here. It cannot go below 699. Wow, that's a lot, man. That's like 70% down. You're welcome. Green names get all the love, man. Green names get all the love. TrueFi, you should check it out. I have checked it out. I have it on my chart. You know, we are talking about TrueFi on Patreon, you know, all the time. It's a good coin, man. I don't know if it's a good coin, but you know, TrueFi. Where is the somewhere up here? Right now, it's a little pump. We're talking that you know, TrueFi is breaking the resistance up here. See, up climbed about 50. Got out of the triangle, looks to break it. I think next target 0.85 for TrueFi, but you know, most people, you know, FOMO'd in after a 700% pump, so you get this down here, right? But right now I think this consolidation or correction is finished for TrueFi. Right now breaking out, so I think it might go to 0.85 or something like that. Does look nice. Men vi ser på den, vet. Vi passer på. Careful with alts BTC dominance climbing. Yeah, we know, man. We know about dominance. It's going up. It's wrecking alts. I just wrote in the chat, in Telegram chat, that you know, Bitcoin is eating all the alts right now. What about dYdX? dYdX looks weak. dYdX, and you know, I started doing dYdX because it's a DEX, and then there were people shilling it, and then I saw that the guy CryptoFace was actually, you know, trading or something like that, right? So I think, you know, a lot of people saw that, and they FOMO'd into it. But you know, it looks very weak. It's a break on the downside, so it looks terrible actually. It doesn't look weak, it looks terrible. It had this very nice triangle up here, and right now it fell out triangle. I, you know, created a new line, but right now even the new line is actually breaking the downside. So dYdX unfortunately looks terrible. Here's the, you know, the hopium, the 200 moving average on the 4-hourly, extensions to the downside. Let's see here if there is any kind of hopium up here, you know, for dYdX. 30 minutes, let's see, 5-minute chart. It's very weak, it's very weak. I don't know what happened with dYdX, man, but you know, it had, I mean, it pumped nice, that's fine, and it got this very nice triangle up here, and then you know, it broke the downside. It just, you know, going down. So if this also breaks down, I don't know, man, it looks bad. There are a lot of other coins that doesn't look this bad, but this looks bad. This looks bad, unfortunately. Marcos, $5. Thanks, man. I love the money. Doge Elon is breaking out, up 40%. Where do you see it going from this point on? You want targets? We'll talk targets. Let's see Elon, man. KuCoin. Of course it's on KuCoin. Wow, it's going parabolic. So that's why, I've seen people talking about it, but it's been going parabolic right now for a while. I don't know where this is going, man. You know, people would usually use some kind of a fib extension or something like that, but this looks just crazy moves. I would advise, people that don't have a lot of money, like got a couple of $100 and want to invest, to go to KuCoin. And trade there, because on KuCoin you have a lot of these small new coins, altcoins and stuff like that can do a very big moves. So you can like 10x your money and stuff like that, right? This right now is up 500, but it's very problematic as well, because it's very hard to find what's the next coin to pump, but once it starts pumping, maybe you can jump on the pump, and get that right. But if you don't have a lot of money, you're not gonna get rich by buying BTC or Cardano or anything like that. You need these micro coins, and the micro coins are actually on KuCoin. So for people that don't have a lot of money, KuCoin might be a better investment opportunity than, for example, Bitcoin and all of these big coins. So because of these things, I've noticed that KuCoin is right now the new Cryptopia. If you don't know what Cryptopia is, or dYdX, all of these old exchanges that all of these new coins were actually pumping on. Yeah, I came a bit late to your stream. Did you already cover IXS? No, I didn't, man. But I can check it out for you. So yeah, the KuCoin right now, it's pumping. I don't know how far this is gonna go, guys. I don't know how far this is gonna go. 3 weeks in a row, it's been pumping like crazy. I don't know what the target is. Let's see here. What's this pumping on? It's pumping on the 4-hourly time frame. So it pumps and goes sideways, 50 moving average, pumps, goes sideways, 20 moving average, pumps, goes sideways, 10 moving average, pumps, and once it starts breaking these averages on the downside, it's done, right? So right now you do not want to break the 20 moving average on the downside. So I'm thinking this might actually go sideways, 10 or 20 moving average, and eventually you don't wanna wait for the 50 moving average. That's too far down. This is going parabolic right now. So right now, once it starts going towards the upside, it's gonna either pump on the 10 moving average, or it's gonna go pump again on the 20 moving average, the red one. And after that, once it starts breaking these fast moving averages, 10 and 20 moving averages up here, that's done. Okay, but sometimes it can do something like this. It goes up here, pumps hard, and then on the way down it breaks the moving averages down here, right? So you miss the pump on the top. So it's a little bit tricky, selling at the top and stuff like that, because it can, you don't want to go up here and then sell down here and does something like this, and then you're like, hey man, I sold, I thought it was the top, stuff like that. Yeah, maybe. AXS, I think I saw, by the way, let me, AXS, yeah, this is AXS breaking down on the triangle. So I'm wondering if the triangle is wrong, or am I having the correct triangle? But right now we are looking for hopium up here, because I mean, daily is still supporting this 20 moving average, so maybe there's something on the daily up here, right? Maybe something like this, right? Because I drew it up here, but you can use any of these wicks, so you never know which wick is it, right? Maybe it's down here, right? cannot be this one, it cannot be this one, you know, it should be some. Let's see on the 4 hourly. Let's take this down a notch and put something like this. This looks more legit though. This looks more legit, but bottom line, it looks kind of squishy, man. I don't know. It's kind of hopium for XX right now to, you know, to stay above this triangle. But you know, don't close below 200 moving average and, you know, stay down below down here. You know, that's not gonna be good. But we are looking for some kind of 178 target up here on the breakout. That might be a little bit different. It's still good on the weekly, like there is no problems up here. Going up here, maybe it's a small bearish cross down here on the daily, so you know that's pushing a little bit down. So hopefully get support on this 50 moving average, hopefully, because you're already down at this this 20 moving average, this red line, because you're already down at on this yellow line up here. And yeah, I would still say it's still going sideways, So let's see where the support is. Daily, it's in the ballpark area down here. Weekly, yeah, it's the daily. I think the daily up here. So yeah, it can go all the way down here. It can go all the way down here without actually being any problem. Like it can do something like this as well again. No problem. So 150, 116, give or take. You know, you don't want to fall. That doesn't matter. Trend line, support, daily 20 moving average. You know, up here. You don't wanna go below the 150, 116 at least. But doesn't look that strong though. I'm keeping an eye on IXS breakout. Yeah, do that. When it does breakout, you tell me. There was a super chat, John Doe. EGP, 50 bucks. Hey Tila, can you do TI and Unland Finance UFT? If it's on TradingView, UFT is on TradingView actually. BUSD, nice. Wow, it's a long time I looked at this actually. Look. There was support levels up here. You can see these lines. These are support levels because it was going towards downside. And then it broke these support levels, so we gotta have some kind of support levels down here. It went down inside this trend line, and then it broke on the downside. It went down, went up, could not get back above it, and crashed. This is long time ago. But my lines are working as expected. That's good. It did this nice move above the 20 moving average. Right now just going kind of sideways up here. Maybe. Let's see how this looks on the daily. Yeah, it's a ballpark area. Give or take. Let's use this here. Yeah. So it is some kind of triangle forming up here as well. 200 moving average coming down up here, acts as the resistance. It's getting support on the daily by the 10 moving average up here. So you can see it, you know, jumped on 10 moving average. Right now trying to cross this 50 moving average and this 100 moving average. It does look okay, but you know, it has a while to go. The first move will, of course, this was the first move. Then it pulled back. I don't know. It looks close. It looks very close. Was that 122 support down here at 103? It looks close, but there is nothing bad about like like you just saw right now. AXS looks bad technically, but you also got this cross above the zero line here on the MACD, which is actually a bullish cross. It's not a cross, it's bullish move. You're below the on the weekly, you're below on the MACD. That might be a good indication for further movement. So it's looking like it's getting ready to do something, but you know, we don't know when it's gonna do something. You can just go up here, you know, and then move something. Oh man, I'm hungry. What do you think about Uniswap? Yeah, I'm interested about Uniswap. Is Uniswap doing anything useful? No, it's just going to, it's just like everything else. SLP slowly dying or bottoming and near the end of falling wedge. I don't know. I think I removed slow SLP from my list. I actually just moved it down. Where is it? SLP. I put it down here somewhere. There's it. And I said to my like, this is terrible. I thought, you know, it might have found some kind of support down here, right? Found some kind of support up here where it, you know, breaks the triangle and, you know, continues towards the upside, but nope. Not doing that, so it does look awful. It does look terrible. I don't know what to say about this. I don't like it. I don't like it. You know, the fact that you are breaking the trend again on the downside. Like, it might find some kind of bottom down here, you know, but right now it's up. Ugh. Polygon Matic. It's having a pullback, so it's nice. Oh, did we have a 4-hourly close? Yeah, we had 4-hour close. So Dogecoin managed to get back above the 200 moving average on this 30 minutes. Let's see it 4-hourly. Yeah, Dogecoin looks nice up here. Looks getting support on this moving average up here. Need to get above this level up here. Let's see 5-minute chart. Oh, it's nice. Dogecoin is nice. I want to FOMO into Dogecoin. What? Okay, let's look at BNB. What's BNB doing? 1.76. 4-hourly. Oh, nice. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do Dogecoin or BNB. Bro, is good. Oh man, to buy Matic at current price, maybe. What looks better, BNB or Dogecoin? Let's see this other. Cake is also, you know, doing the moves. Because if BNB moves, then Cake is gonna move, and Cake is gonna move a lot more than you know, BNB. I don't know if it's gonna move a lot more than BNB, but you know, right now it can do some 9% or something like that. Dogecoin though, what can Dogecoin do right now? Not much. 7%. But BNB. What can BNB do? 2%. I got some USDF laying around. Let's FOMO. How's BTC doing, by the way? BTC had an engulfing bullish candle on the 4-hourly, guys. Bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hourly. Who said Bitcoin is going to go down to zero, man? Bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hourly time frame. Look here, down. Down, get everybody out, right back. They did this 2 times, man. 1 time, 2 times, 2 times they got you out, man. 2 times they got you out, man. This is a sad face. Careful for BTC ETF, buy the rumor, sell the news, and I got a sneaky feeling we're gonna correct tonight. Put it tight, stop losses, peeps. I think it's just gonna go. This is the worst bear market ever. Bro, dip please. I have so many times requested. It's gonna work if you use super chat. It's gonna work instantly. If correction of BTC to 55k, where alts are going? If Bitcoin corrects to 55k, alts are going to zero. No, I don't know, but you know, I don't think we're gonna see correction below this level. 53,000. I mean 55,000 can actually happen, you know. But you know, if we go down below, down here, that's a bear market. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to get below this level down here. But 55k, why would we correct down to 55k, man? There is no reason to go back down. You had the chance to get in 55k. Right now, there is no chance to get in a 55k. I'm sorry, there is no chance to get in a 55k. 55k is gone. To the moon. BTC dumps, alts move, then die. Lol. Reef 23% pump in copy. Reef. Right now minus 1.2. Let's see, where did you find 23% pump incoming? That's 80% pump, man. That's not a 23% pump. Up to the high up here, maybe. Let's see here. Let's see monthly up there, nothing. Let's see weekly. That's 8%. Maybe up there. 30%. I don't see the 23, man. But it might be. It's maybe looking nice. It's maybe looking nice. BNB any minute now. 180. Man. It looks so good, man. It looks so good. But you know, you got a breakout, but where's the volume, man? The volume is like, it's a small triangle though, it's a small triangle. But there is no other way to draw the triangle, you know, there is no other way to draw the line, and the line is broken, so you know, the volume maybe is there, but you know, bullish cross, this is 4 hourly, you know, so cross up here, it's all the way down back there. Looking for bullish cross this week, so this is nice. So I think BNB might be ready to go. I think BNB might be ready to go. I don't know. It is climbing though, it is climbing slowly. Like 50 minutes. XLM got listed on Grayscale, yeah, but that doesn't move the price that much. Flash crash like clockwork. What's funding? Are people still talking about funding? I mean, there might be something around also with funding, you know, and price movement on leverage exchanges, but I don't know. James McRobert, can you check QSP? Sure, man, why not? For the bucks, I'll check anything, man. Check anything. QSP. It's on Binance, so that's good. QSP USD. It is having this, you know, move towards the upside, but you know, this is it looks weak. The first thing I noticed, you know, 2017 and right now this stop up here, it's kind of looking like terrible, very terrible in fact, because it didn't pump much. I mean, from the bottom to the top, oh, actually it's 3000%. It just looks small. It's actually 3000%. So to get to the high up here is like 100% up there. It's above the 200 moving average up here. So I don't know if there is any triangle up here going on. I mean, it might be this one. It's hopium. Yeah, give or take. I think it might be like this. You know, it managed to climb up here. It looks close. It looks close to breaking out of this. You know, because you know, and then try to break it up here, but right back down again. Right now doing the same thing again and trying to break it up. So I think this is the line that it needs to break. You can see here it tried to go. You see the volume also kicking in on the breakout. So I think this is correct line. So I don't know what's waiting for. Let's see the daily. Yeah, see the on the breakout, you know, the kicking on the move towards the upside, it went up, down, it went down, everything looked good. And right now, maybe it's already breaking right now. Maybe it's doing it right now. Let's see the 4 hourly. At least there is a lot of volume coming in on the 4 hourly. A lot of volume coming in on the 4 hourly. So maybe it's doing it right now. Maybe it's breaking right this minute. Quant stamp. Maybe. It looks decent enough. So if it breaks on the upside, it might be looking good. Let's see where there's some important resistances on this are. What's up there? Got nothing else besides 0.1 and 0.12. .1 and 0.12. So how much is that right now? 50% and 82%. That's cool. That's quite nice pump if you can manage to get close above it. But the trend line is, you know, tricky stuff. High up here needs to break that. Let's see how this looks on the 4 hourly. This resistance line up here needs to be broken. Try, but it's getting pushed up. But I think it needs to wait for these moving averages to come a little bit out, so maybe a little more sideways move before it actually breaks. Once it starts breaking it, you know, that might actually push it further up. But it's definitely trying. And this downtrend is actually broken up here. Where is the downtrend? You can see this downtrend up here getting broken up here. Right now going kind of sideways before the move. It looks nice. Quant looks nice. It looks a lot better than a lot of other coins, so this is pretty much welcomed. I think it's gonna go soon. Matic 2.9. A big pullback. It's moving averages. DOGE is up 8%. Just doing, you know, sideways motion. Where is the BNB though? There, 1.2%. I think it's gonna you know, blast off once it breaks the resistance up here, guys. volume is going a bit sideways, volume going down, that's fine. I don't like this, that the momentum is going down while the price is going up. It's losing momentum to the upside, I'm a little late for the show, just want to say hi. That's nice. Thanks for stopping by, man. Can you go over decreasing volume on longer time frames for Bitcoin? What do you mean decreasing volume? This is KuCoin. I think volume is actually doing exactly like it should be doing on here. So if you go to the weekly time frame, it's actually going down up here, but that's why you have this crash. But right now it is going up a little bit. See, monthly is going down, but it's going down with the move. Looks scary, man, looks scary. Let's see down here on daily. Technically the volume is going up, like right now it just pump up here, we're gonna get new can. Technically the volume is going up. Here it was actually going far up. Going down. Even this move up was going down, and then we had a correction down. Right now we have moved towards the upside, so maybe it's starting to go up, we just don't see it because it's too little volume. But since up here we have been going down, but this is a sideways movement. I just want my life to break out. Any opinion on beta? I wanted to buy this when it released, and I mean I don't have any opinions on it. But when people buy the release, they sell up here, right? So people got some kind of insane gains and then just sold. Well, this was a bad time to do us live stream, man. I'm so tired. But I was like, I got nothing better to do, man. XLM also in green. XLM was there in fact looking good. XLM also looks for a breakout. Very close, but when is the breakout? When is the question? Like everything looks like it's gonna break out, but when is the breakout? Close, but not quite yet there. Close, but not quite yet there. I don't have any thoughts about fundamentals on anything, man. I don't have time to care about fundamentals and read up on them and stuff like that. So if that's technical, you want my opinion on, sure. Fundamentals, not so much. Love your video thumbnail titles. That's good. I figured out thumbnail doesn't matter, man. Thumbnail doesn't matter. Harmony, Mohammed. Sure, man. What's one doing right now? It is. I think it's in some kind of triangle up here, but the triangle can be a little bit tricky. So it's still inside triangle, it's not doing much, and I don't know if this is correct triangle either, but especially since of give or take ballpark area. So you know, we want to get out of this triangle to the upside. That's the only thing I care about. On it looks like some kind of pennant up here where it continues towards the upside, but you know, we'll see. So this is the only thing that's actually interesting right now on this is the only thing that's interesting on Harmony right now. The support line, the resistance line, there are some moving averages up here, but they should be looked on the 4-hourly time frame. It is below the moving averages down here, so you know, but it's getting close to this ending of the triangle. So you're gonna see if it starts going down here and pops, or it takes, you know, we are looking for the exit either to the downside or to the upside. But right now not much is happening, like sitting down on support. So big Shiba pump, no way, man. 3.68%, big pump. Well, technically it is a big pump. Wow, it is big pump. 5 minute, 1 minute chart. Wow. The volume low, but $10x, bro, love you. We'll see, man. Look at a 1 minute. Yeah, we just saw a 1 minute chart, but it hit resistance. It hit resistance and pullback at once. You know, we'll see if it breaks. We'll see if it breaks the resistance up here. It did do, you know, it did get this spring. It went above the resistance up here. It pulled back here. It had a pullback right now, trying to break. Once it starts breaking this, I think it's gonna be good. It looks like he wants to go, though. It looks like he wants to go. Almost 1 trillion volume, damn. 1 trillion volume on what? On Shiba? I'm looking at the wrong chart. Oh. Yeah, it's going. Yeah, 1 trillion volume, damn. That's nice. Let's buy some. Maybe. It's 1 trillion volume now, but you know, yeah, when I press buy, it's gonna go to 2 trillion. Okay, time to get in. Just peanuts, just peanuts. Yeah, it is going. Let's see 1 hourly. Four hourly just closed up there. Bullish engulfing above the 50 moving average. 1 hourly. 6.2. I bought 50 million light in SLP. One more test and we got the golden rule of 6 tests. Godly support. Yeah, 6 tests is godly support. Oh no, dumping. Gonna get exciting now. Shiba, I have a sell on 0003 and I'm out of it, fully going back to ADA. I'm not spamming. It's okay, man. SLP doesn't look good. Seriously, the volume on Shiba is extreme, man. Yeah, but they're like, you got a Shiba. Why is volume between BUSD and USDT so big, man? 1 trillion in volume. Who is trading between BUSDT and USDT? God damn it, 1 trillion in volume. So top 4 coins on volume right now on Binance is Bitcoin with 3.6 billion, 3.63 billion, so million, yeah, 3.6 billion, and then you got ETH with 1.8 billion, and then you got Dogecoin with 1.2 and Shiba with 1.1 billion. So Shiba and Dogecoin, definitely something's happening right now there. At least the background music is very relaxing when I look at my app. Yeah, we need to chill, you know. You don't want to play like, you know, Rammstein while you're trading. Is either we pump ISF or we dump. No, you're not sleep last 10 days. I think you take care of yourself. And USDTB, yeah, trading bots used to trade the pips. Yeah, I think also there's something going on there, because I think they can make you know, BUSD is very promoted by Binance, so I think there's something going on with the trading. You know, what it's called. Look at a full moon forming on Wednesday. Yeah, we're getting a full moon on Wednesday. That is correct. Please play Doge Daddy. I'm in a BTC short. Why are you in a BTC short? What's what kind of reasoning is to go BTC short right now? I don't get it. Like, why did you short BTC? Just because it's 62k? I don't get it. Well, boss, do you have a good advice if it's still a good time to buy in or wait for the dip? Like, still 24 minutes to this close above the resistance up here. I mean, this can just pull back, you know, get everybody to Fomo in, you know, and pull back. And as a good $2 support, I don't think that will break a lot of orders at 199. He watched too much Crypto Savvy. Yeah, Crypto Savvy is so bearish. I don't know what he's talking about nowadays, you know, but you know, before, you know, watching him, he was, you know, Doge versus Shiba. Well, Shiba is 447 and Dogecoin is right now 648. Anchor pullback from 20 something, was that from down here to down there. BNB, oh yeah, it did not break, it went up to resistance and it got pulled back. Shame, it's gonna wait a little bit more, it wasn't the time. Anchor 18% right now, pull back a little bit. What's gonna BTC? Is BTC pulling back? No, BTC looks fine. It looks fine. BTC had a bullish engulfing candle. Why would you short on a bullish engulfing candle, man? Let's watch the 1 minute chart. It's exciting. One minute chart. Excitement is through the roof. And we're back down again. That's Shiba for you guys. Oh no, we're going to zero. No. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin went down from 0.64 to 42 something. Bitcoin chart on 1 minute. Let's see the daily. No problem. Let's see 4 hourly. No problem. 1 hourly. Nice support. 30 minutes. Nice support. 15 minutes. Nice support. 5 minutes. Support. Breaking the support. Do you have 1 second chart? No, I don't. Unfortunately, I don't. But I think I need to get a second charts, man. That's gonna change the stream to so much better, you know? Watching the second chart live. Imagine watching this on the second chart, but BTV 61,795. Five-minute chart, like it went down. 42 seconds left. Bearish engulfing. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It did close above these levels up here. 30 minutes did close above up here. So it does look bullish. You know, yesterday when it went down here and popped up, this was so nice. This was so nice. Yesterday we went down and it suddenly, and it broke, of course, the triangle on the downside, but it suddenly went up here and it got above the triangle. Yo, Gianni Hodl, I'm late. How you all doing? I'm just chilling. Verify and brave, bros, so you can receive bad tips. No thanks. Do we pump in? Not actually, no. We're just watching 1 minute chart of Shiba Inu because Shiba Inu started doing something crazy and it stopped doing the crazy stuff. The moon will pump it all. Yeah, but the moon is on the 20th October. We still got like 2 days left, you know, to the moon. So we're gonna see what's happening. Bearish div on the 4 hourly. No, there is no bearish div on the 4 hourly. Down here was the bearish div, but this already played out. This was a bearish divergence, and then we dumped down, and that's finished. So this is finished. There is no bearish div. dYdX, $10. Damn, man, big boy, big whale. Hi boss, I entered 8 times long and 121 on Matic. I'm holding until we hit 9. What? Can you check out Matic again? How likely is it 9? Will we have another dip before we hit 2? Thank you for good vibes. 9. You're looking to get 9 on Matic. 9. Well, you are still in profit, so that's good. That's good. Where's your buy? 121. Yeah, so you entered long all there at the bottom. Nice. Well, right now, the way I see it, the way I see Matic right now is that we are out of the triangle. I think we are out of the triangle and it should not go back down here again. Technically speaking, I don't think we should go. If it goes down here and something is wrong, I don't think that can happen, but it can happen. You know, the worst case scenario is we break on, you know, we go straight down, just like Shiba did from the downside, went to the upside. You know, this might do something like this and go to the downside again. Now that's a bad sign, you know, and it's not a good thing. But even if we go just down inside the moving averages, start breaking the 10, 50, 20 moving, these moving averages up here, if you start breaking those on the downside, that's also a bad sign. That's also a bearish sign, because we should not technically do that, because we, you know, rallied up to the resistance, getting pulled back on the support right now, and right now, you know, we should go up. So, you know, the next move towards the upside comes once we break this level up here, and this level up here is at what's that at right now? 159, 160 or something like that. So that's when the next move is gonna come. When we do something like this up here, cross this on the upside, that's when the next move is gonna come. But 9, you're looking for 9. I'm seeing 2.7 next, like I'm seeing 2.7 next, like up here, right? That's all resist. But you're looking, how did you come to the 9? $9. Can you have me? Sure, why not, man? Because once it starts going up here, that's all the how many does a little bit pull up there? It's at 9. But will it do 9? I don't know if it's gonna do 9, man. The only thing I see right now is 2.7 and this resistance up here. We are looking at some, you know, the pullback down here towards the moving averages and the support here. Right now I was hoping that this bounce is gonna be enough, you know, to break the resistance up here and continue towards the upside, but it looks like it's just gonna use a little bit more time, you know, until it does that. But yeah, Matic looks bullish, more bullish than a lot of other coins, just say it like that. Till I'm still waiting on Matic moving from yesterday. Where are you on drinks Saturday, mate? 9, I believe, 2025 at least. I don't know about Phantom, man. I don't know about Phantom. Phantom did a nice move towards the upside. It looks like it wants to go, man. It looks like it wants to go, but you know, it went down here below 10 moving average up here. Maybe just waiting, you know. This line of resistance is holding it back right now, but you know. Let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour, like it got support here, maybe. Time frames are very hard. Dogecoin, measure the flagpole on the daily. On Matic? You're saying this is a flagpole and right now it's doing the... Oh, he's saying that... But even that only comes to like something like 4. So... 9 is I don't know if you can. I'm sure I might hit 9. I don't know, man. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart and see if it's doing anything decent. USD 5 minimum. So hey, a profit's a profit. Yeah, a profit's a profit. You said it was about to go yesterday. When I say it's about to go, it means it's about to go soon, but you know, when it's soon, it might be, you know, soon, but you also might dump before it goes. Don't take, you know, don't leverage trade. First and foremost, don't leverage trade, man. That's gonna get you wrecked. Why would you leverage trade something that can go 10% within like 5 minutes? That's insane. It looked like it wanted to go. It looked like it wanted to go. You know, it broke the resistance, but you know, it's having a pullback down here to these moving averages. So maybe it's gonna go on the next one. And if it doesn't do that, it goes down here and you get wrecked. Don't leverage trade, man. Yeah, but you have Kyriakos, you said you have also market cap on Matic of almost 10 billion. To hit 9, we need to like 8x on its market cap. That's getting bigger than Ether right now. Yeah, right now that's getting bigger to Ether right now. But in 3 to 6 months, Ether's market cap will also rise, and you know, even with 8x on the market cap on Matic right now, it will still be below Ether, right? Musicals make my heart beat 30. Yeah. Oh, it's failing. Oh, it's failed rally. God damn it, failed rally. 1,215 on Matic is my break even. I have a stop loss set there, so no risk. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the stream because I'm getting tired. I gotta get something to eat. You will have an alt dump opportunity upcoming weeks, you think? Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. You know, I was just bored and wanted to do something when nobody was at home, so you know, that's that. See you around, guys. Stop by tomorrow. You know, tomorrow new videos and stuff like that. We're gonna see what's happening. And hopefully Shiba explodes tonight or something like that, right? Possible double top on the 4-hourly BTC. Yeah, BTC looks like, you know, 4-hourly. What is the 4-hourly? I mean, this can be regarded as some kind of double top, yeah, but you know, it's still, you know, as long as it doesn't fall below the moving average and it stays here and starts going down here, you know. Also, the double top is also the kind of, you know, lagging indicator. You streaming later? No, this is the late stream for today, man. I'm done. I need to go to bed early today because I'm tired, like, you know what. Okay, that's it.